Dictators hasty, ranting from time to time. Mhm. Okay, to be honest, kanina ko pa 'to tina-try i-solve habang nasa trabaho ako. Pero hindi ko talaga alam kung ano yung possible indicator. Possible hasty? Homophone ba ang ranting? Then, I don't know kung merong substitution from time to time na phrase. Kasi ang hasty, nagmamadali. So, I don't know kung possible bang maging anagram indicator or what. So, since I don't have time then, so I'll just use indicator. Okay, so walang natamaan sa mga hinulaan kong mga indicators. So, yung I think na father is actually an indicator from time to time. Hidden pala ang from time to time. Okay, so sure na ako na dictators ang definition. Tyrant, dictator. Check. Yun nga, confused ako kung anong possible indicator pwede si hasty and ranting kasi yun yung I think na mga indicators. Pero ayun nga, mali. From time to time pala yung indicator. Nakakalito talaga. Anyway, bye.